Indiana University police say a female student was sexually assaulted at gunpoint just a couple hours ago.
RTV6's Eric Cox is live in our media center this morning with more on the attack. Eric.
Yeah, good morning, Mark. Good morning, Beth. Right now, university officials are urging the entire campus community to remain on high alert. This is the second reported violent sexual assault that IU's seen in just the last 4 days. Now, I'm told that this latest attack happened just off campus at Brownstone Terrace Apartments. That's located just south of Assembly Hall along 13th and Dunn Streets in Bloomington. Now, I've learned that right now police are on hand at the apartment complex investigating this incident, and officers say that the suspect ran away right after the attack and should be considered armed and dangerous at this time. Now, he's described as being in his early 20s with facial hair, and I'm told he was also wearing dark clothing and a hat. Now, university officials are asking everyone living on or near the north side of campus to stay inside and lock their doors and windows until an all clear is given. Now, police are also still on the lookout for 2 men that they believe left a 19-year-old woman injured after another violent sexual assault that occurred in Dunn's Woods early Friday morning. Now, as for this latest case, we will continue to stay on top of this developing story as it continues to unfold, and of course bring it to you live here on Good Morning Indiana, as well as on your phone with the RTV6 app. For now, I'm reporting live in the RTV6 Media Center this morning. Eric Cox, RTV6.